This is what I've been dealing with for the last 2 months. And for $120 and only like 6 months of use, and it's pretty minimal, I'm pretty disappointed. This is what happens every time I vacuum. I get this exact error code. It does not work. Doesn't matter if it's on hard floor or carpet. It's completely empty. There are no like hair or clogs, and there's absolutely no clogs in the actual vacuum. I think it's just a bad vacuum. I don't know if it's the battery or what's wrong with it, but very frustrating. It was solid in the beginning and it just stopped working.
So, pros, very lightweight, does bare floor and carpet with one pedal punch, easy to empty, easy to that, won't break the bank, suction power, better than most, not as good as others. I'll rate some of the other vacuums, but for the price point, it really does the job, and it can switch. What I love is the no cord, because that's the big thing. As I do my first story here, it really sucks to have to unplug and replug just to do a quick pick me up. And as you can see, I have dark floors with pets and kids. The struggle is real. But overall, I would give this a strong 3.
threw me in that building, I'm gonna do the same thing I did to that guy. Wrap my hand around his neck and squeeze the truth out of him.
And after that?
Hello? Anyone?
We'll hope you come out.
This is the carpet mode. Switching to hardwood or tile floor. Off.
Esse era o meu aspiradorzinho de pó, né? Vou mostrar aqui a potência do... Olha só. Tá vendo? Nada.